Hey everyone, and welcome back. The tech world is moving at warp speed, right? It feels like every day there's a new breakthrough, a new buzzword, a new platform. If you're looking to start a career in tech, or maybe you're already in it and wondering where to steer your ship, it can feel a bit overwhelming. What roles are just fads, and which ones are built to last? Well, buckle up. We're diving into the future, specifically looking at 2025 and beyond, to uncover the top 5 tech careers that aren't just surviving, but absolutely thriving. These are the roles shaping tomorrow. Whether you're a seasoned pro or thinking about making a big career switch, this guide is for you. Let's jump in and see where the real opportunities lie. First up, it's no surprise, artificial intelligence and machine learning engineers. AI isn't just a concept anymore, it's integrating into everything from our phones to healthcare to transportation. The demand for people who can build, train, and deploy intelligent systems is exploding. These professionals are the architects of the future, teaching machines to learn, predict, and automate complex tasks. They work on everything from recommendation engines and natural language processing to autonomous vehicles and medical diagnostics. If you love complex problems and cutting-edge algorithms, this is your arena. Skills in Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and a strong grasp of mathematics and statistics are key. This field is constantly evolving, offering endless learning opportunities and significant impact. In a world increasingly reliant on digital infrastructure, protecting that infrastructure is paramount. That's where cybersecurity analysts and engineers come in. They are the digital guardians. As technology advances, so do the threats. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated, making the role of cybersecurity professionals absolutely critical for businesses and governments worldwide. These experts identify vulnerabilities, build defenses, respond to breaches, and ensure data privacy. They are constantly on the front lines of a digital battle, requiring vigilance and sharp problem-solving skills. Understanding networks, operating systems, encryption, and ethical hacking is fundamental. This is a high-stakes, high-reward field with massive job security as long as there are computers and data. Data is often called the new oil, and data scientists are the ones who refine it into valuable insights. With the sheer volume of data being generated daily, the need to understand and utilize it is immense. Data scientists collect, clean, analyze, and interpret complex datasets. They use statistical methods and machine learning to uncover trends, make predictions, and inform strategic decisions across every industry imaginable. From optimizing marketing campaigns and improving customer experience to scientific research and urban planning, data science is transforming how we understand the world and make choices. Proficiency in programming languages like R and Python, database management, statistical modeling, and data visualization tools are essential. If you have a knack for numbers and finding patterns, this path is incredibly rewarding. Cloud computing has revolutionized how businesses operate, providing scalable, flexible, and cost-effective IT resources. Professionals who can design, build, and manage cloud infrastructure are in incredibly high demand. Cloud architects and engineers work with platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud to migrate systems, develop cloud-native applications, and ensure security and performance in the cloud environment. They enable innovation and efficiency for companies of all sizes, from startups to global enterprises. The shift to the cloud is a fundamental change, making these roles central to modern IT strategy. Understanding cloud services, networking, security principles, and automation tools is crucial. This field offers diverse roles and is fundamental to the digital transformation happening everywhere. Rounding out our list is the DevOps engineer. This role bridges the gap between software development and IT operations, focusing on automating and streamlining the software development lifecycle. DevOps practices lead to faster releases, more reliable systems, and better collaboration between teams. As companies strive for agility and efficiency, the importance of DevOps continues to grow exponentially. These engineers use tools for continuous integration, continuous delivery, infrastructure as code, and monitoring to ensure software is built, tested, and deployed smoothly and reliably. Skills in scripting, automation tools like Docker and Kubernetes, cloud platforms, and a collaborative mindset are key. DevOps is about culture and tools, making it a dynamic and impactful career choice. So there you have it, 5 tech careers poised for massive growth and impact in 2025 and well beyond. AI or ML, cybersecurity, data science, cloud computing, and DevOps. These fields represent the cutting edge of technology and offer incredible opportunities for innovation, problem solving, and career advancement. They require continuous learning, but the rewards are immense. If you're passionate about technology and looking for a future-proof path, exploring these areas is a fantastic starting point. The tech landscape is bright, and there's a place for you to thrive in it. Start learning, build projects, network, and dive in. The future of tech is exciting, and these careers are at the heart of it. Thanks for watching, and keep building that amazing future.